Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to buy Robux from Eldorado GG. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to Eldorado GG and then to log into your account. If you don't have an account with Eldorado, no worries, it takes only a few seconds to create a new account. So we got some options here. So I want to go ahead and sign in my Google account. If you are a new user, click on create an account. So I'm going to click create an account, then click sign in with Google, Apple, Facebook, or you can put in your email address. So I'm just going to choose my Tutorial Wiz Google account for this demonstration. Now it's going to log us in and sign us up at the same time. So as you can see, I'm now signed into my account. Now from here we need to search Eldorado. So guess what we're going to put in? We're going to type in Roblox like so and then hit enter. So search results, we want to go in and click on Roblox. Now on this page here, we want to go ahead and set the amount you'd like to purchase. So we've got a minimum quantity of 8,200 units. So say for example, I want to buy 10,000 Robux. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now, as you do that, it's going to update the price at the same time. And they do have money back guarantee with this. So protected with Trade Shield. It's got fast checkout options of Google Pay and Apple Pay. And they also got 24/7 live support. So they're always there to help. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on buy now. But we need to be careful of, so they got minimum quantity, but then they got in stock. So they're going to show you exactly. So for me on this instance, I've got to put in the exact amount. So now I'm going to pay $50 for 8,200 Robux. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and head out to the checkout section. But you might notice this if you're taking a while to order, you just seen that little pop up. So I need to go back here. And now look at it says here, the offer has recently been modified, please try it again. So I want to come here and then this is probably going to update or should update of how much Robux we can buy or what's available. So I'm just going to search for Robux again, click on Roblox. All right, so minimum quantity is 1,000. All right, so that's a little bit weird. All right, so say if I want to buy, say 8,000 and we got in stock, what is that? Probably close to 420,000 units. So I want to go ahead and click on buy. So as you can see, they live update it, which is quite cool. All right, so from here, we can choose our payment method, Google Pay, Alipay, or cryptocurrency, and then click continue to payment. I'm going to choose credit and debit card. And you're going to get loyalty points for this as well. So put in your credit card details, billing details as you normally would. You can also save your card for a faster checkout and go ahead and pay $54. And then if we come back here, we're going to see the delivery method is going to be via our Game Pass. Now, if you want to pause the video and have a read of this, you can as well.